Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the KitchenAid Classic Multifunction Can Opener, widely recognized as the best can opener on the market. If you've ever struggled with stubborn cans or uncomfortable handles, you're in for a treat. This can opener is designed not only for functionality but also for comfort and ease of use. Let's start with its impressive design. The KitchenAid Classic Can Opener features a sleek black exterior, made from durable stainless steel. This gives it both a modern look and the strength to handle any can. The first thing you'll notice is the oversized, easy-to-turn knob. It offers a secure grip, making the can opening process effortless. No more straining your hands just to get the lid off. Now, let's see how it performs. Simply position the cutting wheel on the rim of the can, and with a firm yet gentle twist of the knob, you can feel the stainless steel blade pierce through the metal with ease. This opener smoothly slices through cans, eliminating the hassle that many other openers create. Look at that. The lid comes off cleanly, leaving no sharp edges behind. This is a crucial feature that many users appreciate. You don't want to deal with jagged metal that could lead to cuts and injuries. Safety is paramount in the kitchen, and this can opener ensures that. But the KitchenAid Classic isn't just a can opener. It's a versatile 2-in-1 tool with an integrated bottle opener. Need to crack open a cold drink? Just flip it over, and the built-in bottle opener makes it simple and efficient. This is especially handy for gatherings or cooking sessions when you need quick access to both cans and bottles. Another noteworthy aspect is the ergonomic handles. They're oversized and designed for comfort, which is perfect for users of all ages. Whether you have small or larger hands, this can opener adapts to your grip, making the entire experience pleasant and pain-free. Now, let's talk about versatility. The KitchenAid Classic Can Opener is suitable for any sized can or bottle, making it an essential kitchen gadget. Whether you're opening a small soup can or a large family-sized vegetable can, this opener is ready to tackle it all without any fuss. Maintenance is also a breeze. The stainless steel design ensures that it's resistant to rust, and you can easily hand wash it after use or toss it in the dishwasher. A little care goes a long way in maintaining its sharpness and functionality over time. In conclusion, the KitchenAid Classic Multifunction Can Opener is not just another kitchen tool. It's a reliable companion that makes food preparation easier and safer. Its blend of durability, comfort, and versatility truly sets it apart as the best can opener on the market today. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Product Critique for more insightful product reviews. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking!